Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use navigation on Lexus ES350. To begin, power on your vehicle and ensure the navigation system loads completely. You can interact with the system using the remote touch controller located near the gear shift or by directly touching the screen on models that support it. Navigate to the main menu to see options like destination, map, and settings. This initial step is crucial for accessing all features. Once you're on the main navigation screen, select Destination to start your journey. You'll then have several ways to input where you want to go. You can enter a specific address, search for a point of interest like a restaurant or gas station, or even select a location from your recent history. For quick entry, utilize the on-screen keyboard or the voice command button on your steering wheel. Confirm your selection to begin routing. Beyond basic destination entry, your Lexus ES350 navigation offers advanced features. You can customize your route by choosing to avoid tolls, highways, or even ferries, tailoring the journey to your preferences. The system also provides real-time traffic updates, helping you navigate around congestion and potential delays. Don't forget to save your home and work addresses, along with other frequent spots, as favorites for even faster access in the future. To get the most out of your Lexus ES350 navigation, always ensure your maps are updated. This guarantees you have the latest road information and points of interest. Consider using the split-screen view, which allows you to see the main map alongside detailed turn-by-turn instructions, making complex intersections easier to manage. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Remember, practice makes perfect with any new technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.